Today we will see that how you can go ahead and create a purchase order on TranZact. Quickly, let's go to our transaction module. Here, this is my transaction dashboard. On your right hand side, you will get an option of create document. Click on that. Now here you will get an option of purchase order. Simply click on that. I will select the supplier company. So I will select the Smart Buy India here. Now, this is the PO format which will get open in front of me. What I need to do, I need to go ahead and fill the basic details like the buyer details delivery location will be auto fetched from your buyer and supplier module. Now I need to go ahead and put the title. So this PO I am creating to purchase a wire. So I have just put it the first PO for wire. The document number will be auto fetched from my settings module. Now I will select the delivery date from here. So I will select the 22nd. Going below, I will select the item here. So this is the gray wire which I am purchasing. I will put the quantity 120. The price will be fetched from my inventory module. Going below, I can go ahead and put the additional detail, extra charges, attachment. Now, just go below. Here I will get an option of save as draft or save and send. So I will click on save and send. And once I will again authorize it, this PO will get created. So this is how you can go ahead and create a purchase order on TranZact. You can very well go ahead and share that over WhatsApp as well. I hope it helped you out. Have a good day ahead.